I know some people,
Yes.
they would die for me. We run
Party
together.
packs.
They're my family. When I get up, they gon' be high with me. I'll stay forever. My family, solid as come, baby, join it. Just fun, baby, one by one.
I want to soak my beans. It's been a long time. We last ate moi in this house. In fact, since my husband bought that moi pouch from Nigeria, I have not tried it out. I don't know. I think these beans have stayed too long in the shop. You can see all of those things. I hate this thing, eh? Anyways, let me soak the beans. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to another Diana's birthday prep. I don't know how I'm going to post all of this video, just like I said previously in other clips. I don't know how to post them, but I'm just going to be preparing and how it's coming. So I got some of my orders today, you guys. I told you guys I've been buying. We have been buying, like we've spent a lot of money buying things from shop, markets, online. Literally, yeah, there is no app I've not patronized this period. Anyways, I just want to differentiate the things I bought. There are a lot. Let me show you guys. See, you can see there is no app I have not patronized this period. Now me they ought. So in all of these things, there are our Christmas outfits and Diana's photo shoot outfits, party packs. It's party packs and some decor that came today. I still have about 2 packs to come before January, which is Diana's birthday. Hopefully they come on time, because shipping companies, they will soon start going on holiday, and I pray they come before that time. Anyways, I just opened all of them to see what is inside. Well, I want to differentiate them. In fact, let me go and bring this nylon, that big nylon, to put everything. So I'll just put them in one place, because as they are coming, I'm just littering everything everywhere. I don't like the way I'm keeping them. So let me just arrange everything in one place and differentiate our Christmas outfit, because I will select our Christmas clothes from it, because Christmas is just by the corner in a few days time. So this is what I want to put them. You guys have been busy since, so immediately I just finished doing what I was doing. I just beat and wore my pajamas my husband bought for me, you guys. Still from Shein, I guess. Oh my god. This one right here is... Can you guys see me? Oh, you guys cannot see me. You guys can't see me. This one right here is decoration. Like, I want to use it for the decor. Oh, anyways, this one is balloon inflator. The one I used to use before is that, like, it's too much stress. So this electric balloon pump is what I bought to ease. Can you guys see it? To ease our stress on that day. In fact, my stress, because I'm the one going to do the balloon decoration. I got this for Diana. In fact, oh, what the heck? What did I just do? Hold on. Oh my god. I have to finish from here. This one right here is for the party packs. The things I got for party packs. All of them are here. Yes. All the party packs are here. This one is for decoration setup. You guys, I'm tired. I bought this for the photography setup. I've always wanted one, but I will be saying my house is too small. My house is too small, but I just decided to buy it this time. Hopefully it does the job. Okay, so the things I'm not using anytime soon, I'm going to put them inside this place. Everything I'm not using anytime soon. This shoe, I got this for Jasmine. It's very cute. I'll put them here. This is Diana's outfit. This one is for Christmas. This is our Christmas PJ for photo shoot. I think this one too. I got this one from the market, the socks. I got these socks for the 4 of us. I got it from the market. It's for Christmas. Let me even put it inside this place. So these are Diana stuff. Oh, this one is for party packs too. For Christmas. This is for, I think, the new year. Let me remove them. That one is mine. I just casually bought it. This one too. These are for party packs. See what I am doing. This one is for Christmas as well, but let me put it here. It will be at the top. Let me remove it. So these are for Diana's cake. These are Diana's shoes. Let me show you this shoe. I got this shoe, but it came very big for Diana. I don't know, you guys cannot see it, or I cannot even see you guys see. To be honest, I cannot even see myself. This camera is just up there. So, not just this shoe. There's another shoe I got for Diana. that came really big. This one is very okay on her, but she won't wear this shoe for long. This one too is still okay. This one is still okay, but she'll wear it for a little bit before she outgrown it. But there's one particular one I'm looking for. That one is very big. I got about 10 different shoes for Diana. Yes, I'm that extra. For her birthday, for our photo shoots, for Christmas. Like, I bought 10 different shoes for just Diana. On a normal day, I'm not supposed to buy like that for her, but because it's festive period and our first Christmas, first New Year, our first birthday, everything just like fell on the same time. So I just decided to buy different colors of shoes for her. And yeah, for Jasmine as well, I bought different things for Jasmine. But as time goes on, you guys are going to be seeing everything I bought. But for now, to do unboxing, even my younger sister was telling me, do an unboxing. So she will come and stay glued to my channel to watch everything. I just told her, see, it's very stressful to do unboxing. Honestly, the things I got are just way too much to be showing one after the other. So the same thing I told her is what I'm telling you guys now, that as time goes on, as the day come closer, I'll be unveiling everything I bought. Like for the Christmas, when is Christmas now, I will show you guys everything bit by bit what I bought. So if Diana's photo shoot too, I will show you guys. On her birthday, I will show you guys everything I got. Okay, for now, to do all unboxing, you guys, is too much. The video will even get to 1 hour and it will not be boring. So yeah, this one is customized. I can't wait for you guys to know what is inside here. Anyways, okay, see the shoe I was looking for. Yeah, this shoe is for Diana. I got size 21. They brought size 26 for Diana. How will my baby girl get size 26? When I born Diana, I beg, where they go be 26? So I don't know what to do with this shoe yet. See, size 26 instead of size 21. I couldn't even return it because this is festive period. If I return it, I don't know when it will get to them, and to bring it back, I don't know. So let's see what I will do with it. Shein and other place I got stuff from, they are supposed to even give me different gifts this period because I really bought a lot. So this is for Jasmine. Yeah, this is for Jasmine. I got this little cute bag for Jasmine. You guys are going to see it during New Year. I think she's going to use it for the New Year or Christmas. I don't know. I will show you guys by then with the outfit she's going to wear it. I know, say Mama Ajasko, Diana and Mama Ajasko. I bought this little cute bands, hair bands with different characters and fruits. But my pikin no get hair. The last one I put on her hair, she removed it and she was putting it in her mouth. So I just kukuma left it here. All these ones are things. Now this one is comb I got. Let me put that one there. I don't need to bore you guys.
Thank you for watching.